Are you a good girl? Do you like your bed?
We only listen to Taylor's version in our house. Making dinner, what I usually do every day for my family. As you can see, tonight we're having dumplings, pot stickers. Our dumplings are our entree, so I will be making our pot stickers right now.
Kylie was just accepted to college, so she's mastering the art of cooking microwave meals. You're supposed to put it over the bag like that?
Yeah.
Ooh, what's the
I'll
point?
read the directions. So we are not going to eat this whole bag because, as you'll see later on in the video, we are going to an amusement park which features some roller coasters, and my biggest concern is Jeffrey, our host, not being able to ride it because he ate right before.
We went to a county fair a couple years ago. I went on a ride with her, well, 2 rides, and I was done for the day. I was green. I've never been so motion sick in my life. And
he held my hand so tight, my hand was like purple and shaking.
Well, she was at risk of falling out of the
I was
ride,
not at
so
risk.
She was about half the size she is now.
Yeah, and he blamed some poor little girl for wanting to get off.
She did want to get off.
But he also wanted to get off, and it
I
was like
also
a very
wanted to get
little
off.
kid ride. So when you're cooking in the kitchen, which I have learned from the Food Network, is you always have to clean up after yourself. So this is our freezer right now. As you can see, it's very full.
Why is it so full?
Because Honeybunch and I just went to. Why are you laughing at
It's
me?
weird when you call her
I
Honeybunch.
know, that was weird. My mom and I just went to Trader Joe's. As you can see, we got a Jersey Mike's Giant, which I do not regret. When you are eating this type of food, definitely make sure you get this from Trader Joe's. It's probably like $8, probably $3. I'm not 100% sure. I'll look when I go next time.
What is it?
It is a sweet chili sauce. Jeffrey-sized bite in it. Alright, one thing is missing. Let me go grab my chopsticks. And we're ready. Cheers.
Delicious.
I'm super excited. This is my favorite meal.
A lot of napkins. Planning to be messy?
Nothing like a home-cooked meal.
Kylie and I are going to go over to Worlds of Fun, which is an amusement park. We can see the roller coasters and hear the roller coasters from our trailer. Kylie's excited, I'm excited, and nervous. We just heard some screams. Alright, we are walking from our campsite over to the entrance. We are layered up.
Omaha, Omaha!
Kylie's doing her Peyton Manning impression.
I don't really know who that is. I feel like I'm gonna like
Yeah, that roller coaster's tall. Might not look tall behind us, but it's tall. I'm scared. We've walked maybe an eighth of a mile, and Kylie's dying.
It's me panicking, being like...
That's not true. We are headed into the bloodshed.
Some little girl just said, I'm gonna cry, don't make me ever do that again. So I'm a little... Apparently it says, like, the actors won't touch you if you don't touch them. But if
no, it says they won't touch you and you're not allowed to touch them.
But if something jumps out at me, I'm literally gonna punch someone in the face.
I don't like it.
Me neither, I'm scared. I'm scared.
What? What are you screaming at? Okay, alright, we made it. Let's go to the light.
I can't, I'm sweating.
Woo. Yeah, me too. So we just finished the what's it called?
The
bloodshed, which was basically a slaughterhouse. Everyone was dressed up as pigs, and it was scary. I mean, I wasn't scared at all, but Kylie was really scared.
She screamed so loud.
We were both scared, but it was fun. It was a good start. Now we're gonna go try the roller coaster you see behind us, and probably get nauseous.
This is us before the ride.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
We're in line for the Mamba. There's people leaving already before the ride starts. We're going up.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Look, you can see our trailer.
I'm scared.
What was your reaction to the Mamba roller coaster, Kylie?
My heart stopped. I think I passed out for a second.
I tightened down the lap bar like
So
extra tight, and I'm glad they did.
Look at me! I look so good. I always look good. Goodbye.
We spent the night at a boondocker's welcome site called Turkey Hill. It's a private property. There's a pond in the back. We got to park in front of this beautiful RV barn. And the hosts were great. We bought some honey from them, Zombie Farms honey. And yeah, we look forward to staying here again next time we pass through. They brought their dog out, Kaylee, to play with Layla. They had a good time. Layla was all tired out. Did you have a good time, Layla? Can't really tell, but she had a good time. She went in the water, which she normally doesn't, just followed Kaylee right into the water. We're gonna hit the road. We got about 4 hours until we get to Nashville.